Good morning, students. Welcome to the class again. Dear students, as you are observing on the screen, today's we are going to start a new topic, that is active and passive voice. So, in our today's class, we will discuss about the rules of changing present and past indefinite and continuous active voice into passive voice. Dear students, first of all, you must know what is an active voice and passive voice. Active voice, when the subject in the sentence acts, that is in active voice. For example, I read a lesson. And passive voice, when the subject in the sentence is acted upon. For example, a lesson is read by me. After this, you have to follow some rules when you change the active voice into passive voice. First of all, in the sentence, you have to identify the subject, verb, and the object, that is SVO, subject, verb, and object. Next step is change the object into subject. And next is put the suitable helping verb or auxiliaries verb. And next, change the verb into past participle, that is third form of the verb. Okay, add the preposition by. Next is change the subject into object. Now these are the rules when you change the active voice into passive voice. Now students, watch this slide carefully. Here is a sentence that is in active voice and second sentence is in the passive voice. The first sentence is I write this letter. In this, I is the subject, write is the verb, and this essay is the object. This sentence is in the active voice. So when we change this active voice into passive voice, that is this essay, that is the object, it becomes subject, means this essay is written by me. Now we will discuss how we change the active voice into passive voice according to the tenses. But before this, I want to tell you how you change the person when you change the active voice into passive voice. When there is I in the active voice, you will change that into me and you become you. You will never change. He into him, she into her, they into them, and if there is any name, that become unchanged. Now we will discuss the rules of changing present indefinite or simple present tense into passive voice. The structure of the active voice of present indefinite or simple present tense is subject plus first form of verb plus s or es plus object. For example, I write a letter. When we change this into passive voice, it becomes subject plus is mr plus third form of verb plus by plus object. For example, a letter is written by me. Now we will discuss about the changing of past indefinite active voice into passive voice. The structure of past indefinite or simple past tense in active voice is subject plus second form of verb plus object. For example, I wrote a letter. And when we change this into passive voice, the structure will be subject plus was, were plus third form of verb plus by plus object. For example, a letter was written by me. Now we will discuss about the changing of present continuous active voice into passive voice. The structure of active voice in present continuous tense is subject plus is mr plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. For example, I am writing a letter. So when we change this sentence into passive voice, the structure will be subject plus is mr plus being plus third form of verb plus by plus object. For example, a letter is being written by me. Now the rules of past continuous tense. The structure of active past continuous tense is subject plus was, were plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. For example, I was writing a letter. And when we change this active voice into passive voice, the structure will be subject plus was, were plus being plus third form of verb plus by plus object. So the passive voice of this sentence is a letter was being written by me. Now we will discuss some more example of present continuous tense and past continuous tense. These are the example of present continuous tense. First is Mani is beating Swami. So when we change this active voice into passive voice, the answer will be Swami is being beaten by Mani. Mani is the subject and Swami is the object here. So Swami become the subject and Mani become the object. And other things will be remain same that have been discussed in the rules. So the next example is they are not running a race. A race is not being run by them. Are we singing a song? Is a song being sung by us? Last sentence is Rani playing chess? This is an interrogative sentence, and when we change the interrogative active voice into passive voice, it remains interrogative. So chess is the object here and it becomes the subject. So before this, chess is singular, we use is before chess because this is the singular subject. Is chess being played by Rani? Now these are some examples of past continuous tense. First is the farmer was sowing the seeds. Seeds are sowed by the farmer. Lata was not writing a letter. A letter was not being written by Lata. Next is were the boys singing a song? It is an interrogative sentence. So a song is the object here. It becomes the subject into passive voice and it is singular. So we use was before this. Was a song being sung by the boys. Next is they were riding a horse. A horse was being ridden by them. So dear students, I hope you have understood all the things very well. Keep on practicing and do your best. Thank you. Thank you very much, dear students.